Welcome to this video. I'm going to be talking through decimals in this. To start off, numbers can be written as decimal forms using a dot called a decimal point. Here we have a number, 24.35, and if I partition that, I have 2 tens, 4 units, 3 tenths, and 5 hundredths. And if I combine them and add them all together, that gives 24.35. The first thing we're going to start off with is adding decimals. And then we'll go on to an example with subtracting decimals. The key point to remember is that when you're adding or subtracting, the decimal point needs to be lined up. In this first example, I have 3.245 plus 2.29. I'm going to write the 3.245 here and also the 2.29. You'll notice that there's a gap here. What I usually do in this scenario is just add in a 0 because that will stop you from making any mistakes when you're adding these values together. Then you work it out. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. You carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus the 1, that gives 5. And 3 plus 2, which is 5. And your final answer is 5.535. With subtracting decimals, it's pretty much the same thing, except at the end you're going to have to subtract rather than add. I'm going to write down the numbers here, so 1.07 and also 0.743. Note how there's a gap here. Earlier I added a 0. I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. We can't work out 0 take away 3, so we have to borrow. So that turns into a 6, carry the 1 over. 10 take away 3 is 7. 6 take away 4 is 2. 0 take away 7 we can't do, so we have to borrow. So that becomes 0, carry the 1 over. 10 take away 7 is 3. And then 0 take away 0 is 0. That leaves our answer of 0.327.